Hi everyone, it's Jason here from Just Pure, and a bit of a treat this Monday, although a bit of self-promotion as well, I think. I know I give you lots of good information, hopefully what I think is good information every week, every Monday. But today I just want to talk about a little service that I'm now introducing from the 1st of November, and it's called our File and Go tax return service. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the process of having tax returns done by accountants, and we're accountants obviously. But yeah, they can range wildly in price, as you probably know. And we think a lot of tax returns come as a sort of a package, which often includes a lot of stuff that that sole traders don't need. So I'll explain a bit more about that as we go along. But specifically what I want to talk about today is our File and Go tax return service that we're just about to introduce, which will get your return filed for less than £100. So basically, here at Just Pure, as you know, we're accountants, bookkeepers. We deal with all sorts of stuff that's anything to do with numbers, really. Year-end accounts, bookkeeping, tax returns, VAT, payroll, etc., etc. And from the 1st of November, we're introducing a brand new service designed to simply prepare and file your tax return. So you won't get any of the support that we provide for the bigger clients that we have. But often for a sole trader or for a very simple tax return, the support's not needed. Quite often what a sole trader will need is just their basic tax return done at the end of the year. Just their sole trade figures. They could be really, really easy. It could be literally just 2 or 3 figures to go on the tax return and to file and to go. And they won't need any help or any hand holding during the year. And that's what this service is designed to provide. So it's aimed at sole traders that have a very, very basic need for their tax return. As I say, just could be a couple of figures on the self-employment page and maybe a bit of other income, but that's it really. You know, there's nothing sort of complicated about the tax return. So it's literally just a simple step-by-step process. We guide you through it, but it's very, very easy, a very, very easy process. And all it will consist of is preparing and filing your tax return once a year for you. Or it can be just a one-off job. You can pay for it as a one-off job. That's what we'll be offering. But as I say, it doesn't include our sort of normal full package of support throughout the year. It's just a simple, here's what I've done in the year. Please prepare my tax return and file it for me. That's it. So now we believe we're offering this at a very, very reasonable rate. As I say, tax returns can vary in price, but I've seen them as much as sort of £450, £500. But obviously that does include or should include support throughout the year as you go. Our new File and Go service, which is just designed for sole traders that want to get their return done quickly and filed, it's just £97, and that's what we're offering. We'll be launching it this week, so as I speak, it's actually Halloween today, 31st of October 21, and we'll be releasing this service over the next few days. So keep an eye on the description, because as soon as the service is released, I will put more about it in the description. Or alternatively, you can just keep an eye on next week's clip. Next week's Sole Trader clip will give you the full details. I'm kind of giving you a little sneak preview this week, because I do anticipate the service is going to be quite popular. So if you are interested in getting your tax return done for less than £100, for £97, please do drop us a line. Email address is in the bottom left corner of the screen. Email me, Jason Blackman, and tell me that you are interested, and you'll be one of the first to be offered this brand new service. So as I say, keep an eye on this channel. I'll certainly keep an eye on next week's clip on Sole Trader Monday, which will be next week. And yeah, you'll find all the details about how to access this. But in the meantime, if you're interested in getting your tax return done for £97 without all the sort of extra support during the year, if you just literally know what you've earned during the year, you can tell us, you can provide me the figures. We'll literally complete your tax return, prepare it for you so you don't need to worry about it at all for just £97. So if you're interested, either drop me an email. My name's Jason Blackman. Drop me an email to justpurelewis@gmail.com. Bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see my email address, or drop a comment below this clip, or alternatively keep an eye on the channel, keep an eye on this particular Sole Trader Monday next week, when I'll give you all the details and links you need to be able to access the service. But in short, it's a brand new service offered by Just Pure to prepare your tax return, to quickly file and go for just £97. So keep an eye on it if you're interested. Drop me an email, drop me a comment below, and I will see you again on the Sole Trader channel next week.